Sorkar jala klarai ban Thoh Sha University Grants Commission ani ka UGC nya ka benta ki samla puli undergraduate ki ba puli ha ki college ba pher but postgraduate ki ba puli ha ki school ba ban Pynkynriah ke exam sha Risaw harian ba ka yen ka shri ka ba khredu jong kari kala hukum ba de ban pelong ba ke exam na ka benta ban Pynkyu class ki samla puli ka Sorkar jala ling ba khatanar puli puthi class me ka ni ka rai ha ka jelang ka bala long ha ka si balang jo ka artere unai lor a ja arpho ha ka ba on pha ka jing Thoh Sha ka UGC na benta ban pelong ke exam hapreng ka hinyo tarek bar khandre tarek Risaw ha ka ne ka jala om ban pelong hapo ka lai pho tarek unai lor kat kum ki kindon bala pro ta ka UGC habakrem bikla bathai khubor umintri ka thana puli puthi ka jala bala ka ben rumboi ulom ba ka Sorkar ka rai ban pha ka jingtirwa she ka UGC ban pelong ke exam ha ka hinyo tarek khandai tarek khar ar tarek khat saw bar khandre tarek ubnai Risaw menta usnem
district government will write to the UGC to let that exam for both the UG and PG final semester in the state be conducted in the month of October, that is from the 7th till the 16th of October. The date to be conducted is on the 7th, 9th, 12th, 14th and 16th. And the result should be declared on or before the 31st of October. So we have taken decision to write to the UGC that to let the exam be conducted on this date which I have already mentioned. And the mode of exam will be blended in the sense that it can be both online and offline. And those students who are not comfortable to appear this at the exam center, they have the option of appearing it online. The NEHU authorities will take a decision and given the option what to do, what not to do as per their convenience. And number two, but for the PG, all it will be online, no offline for the PG Exmini. So this is the decision which we have taken. And one more thing is that at least for the student of the state who are not comfortable to come to Shillong or to the college of which, to the exam center which they are in other district which they are studying, so they can apply to the NEHU to appear in the nearest center where they reside. Suppose the student of Thoh Sha who are studying in Shillong, he can write to apply to the NEHU to let him appear in Garo Hills, so that the problem faced by the student to come for exam, search for the house or hostel or anything will not be a problem.